How to show or hide node outline of the Sankey chart in Excel. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Node Properties pane to hide the node outline. Click on the Node section. By default, the node outline is shown. You can hide the node outline by sliding the Show Node Outline button to the left, that is off. Click on the Apply button. The node outlines are hidden now. Click on the Node Properties pane to show the node outline. Click on the Node section. You can show the node outline by sliding the Show Node Outline button to the right, that is on. Click on the Apply button. The node outlines are shown now. Click on the Save Changes button. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.